Lisa here, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be opening my Target haul. I am so excited for this. Which one do I do first? Let's do this one. I want to say my favorite part is the crown. It's so pretty. I like the detail on it too. So first, we're going to be checking out this little checklist. And it looks here like you get a game by like scanning this. Look at all these cute little faces. This is so adorable. So first I'm opening this one. So excited. Looks like, I think these are like tattoos.
Oh,
those are so.
You love tattoos.
I love them. And some cute little stickers. Okay, time to open the beauty. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's so soft. Look at it, it's so adorable. So cute. Oh, look how it fits in the house, little head just peeks out. That's so pretty. I also like this part right here.
Your sister's gonna steal it, you know she is.
Yeah, she is. I can't wait to collect every single one. So next, we're gonna do this one. In your everyday life.
Little miniature things.
Mm-hmm. Little Pop-Tart. That's so cute.
Let's see, what did you get? Is that jelly?
Look at these things. They're adorable. Half of the things my mom buys.
That's for sure.
I bought this almost every day when I was in
You
third grade.
still get them for school lunches.
Yeah. It has literally all the labels. I can't really see what it looks like. Look at it. It has like little scenes and everything. The inside's even squishy.
Is it?
Yeah, so squishy. Got bigger, their eyes got wider, and their mouths got tinier.
Anything small is adorable.
Anything.
All right,
You can
what
make
do we...
huge eyes and tiny mouth, perfect. So it looks like I got the little jelly. Right there. And it's green, so that means it is a rare one.
Let's see. Little groceries. Well, now we figured out.
You have to open it from the bottom, Lisa.
Wow.
Just wow. I'm really excited to do this one right here. I saw ads for these and it looks so cool.
All right, let's do it.
Apparently. Oh. So right now it looks like we have these cute little things. You pop them out and probably like, oh, you put them
Probably,
around
yeah,
here.
it's gonna be like the decor.
The decor. See here, the little checklist, it shows you how to do it. That is so cool. I hope I get this one right here. It's a diamond one. But to be honest, all these are really pretty. Oh, this little water pourer. Just pour the water in. Well, first let's get the little sand. Okay, so just try to be very careful because if I ruin this, my mom will get mad. And let's pour that in.
That little bit of water is going to make her grow.
It's going to like activate the egg, I think.
And now we wait.
And wait. While we wait for her to grow, we can punch out these little things and decorate a little garden. We're like preparing for her arrival.
She has a home. Perfect.
Let's do this because this looks very interesting. How it shows.
All right.
And cut it, squeeze it, and make it.
This is exactly what it says right there, literally. All right, let's do it.
Okay, oh my gosh, that feels so weird. It is a tiny bit of damage. It's pink.
That is cool. Squeeze it out.
Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. It'll pop. That's so mesmerizing. I could do this all day. Very sicky.
Not on my placemat.
Sorry.
Is there something in there?
Good news comes out easily.
Mm-hmm.
And probably have to like work it in a little bit.
There you go. Let's see. Hold it still.
Has a tiny little surprise bracelets.
Aww.
This feels super weird.
So there's a surprise
in here. Waiting for my little buddy to grow. So why not just name a bead?
She dropped one of her little beads.
I like the different colors. Like they don't just use one specific color, they use different. We're making this one. Ta-da! Secret slime. So let's open this up. Cool. Look at that color. Well. Oh my gosh! I was not expecting that. It just like popped up. Oh my goodness.
Wow, I didn't think she was ever gonna come up. It took about 5 minutes.
So cool.
Let me see. That kind of scared me.
That scared me too. Like it just popped out. Like.
And you got a pink one. Yay!
Oh my goodness. Okay. She's kind of wet from the water. Okay. So I have this nice gold slime. It smells so good. Chocolate.
Look at that color. That color is really
I
cool.
found one surprise already.
Aww.
It's a tiny little star. It's like chocolate.
What in the world?
Ah, the noises. Give me all the noises. So shimmery too, look at that. When the light hits it, it's so shimmery.
Okay, keep that away from your sister because she'll eat it.
Yes, she will. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to hit that notification button. Bye! Bloopers! Thank you guys for watching my channel.
My channel.
Don't forget to be watching my channel.
It's beginning to look a lot like
Christmas.
Wait,
Everywhere you go.
back up, you freak. Oh, God.